What's going on, everyone? DFIZero here, back again with another video. Today, we're going to be checking out the FIFINE H18V Lite open back gaming headset. Let's jump right into it. So we just received this package from FIFINE. I want to say thank you for sending out a gaming headset. So we have a user guide that comes in the box. USB-A connector, microphone jack. It's a 3.5 millimeter. We got the black and purple edition. It does come in white as well. We have a 3.5 millimeter for PC, console, and portable handhelds. We're going to be using it on the Steam Deck. Also comes with a 7.1 surround sound switch with an LED indicator to turn it on or off. A headset volume control, a microphone volume control, mic noise cancellation button, a mic mute button. We're going to go ahead and switch headphones so you guys can see the difference. Right now, I'm using the Logitech Pro X headphones. I like the color contrast purple and black. We're going to go ahead and try it out. We're going to give it a try out using the Steam Deck. I'm going to go ahead and go to settings. Dual connection with both 3.5 millimeter and USB support. So the sound quality does make it more immersive, so you can hear extra footsteps behind you. So it does have a more surround sound functionality than the Logitech Pro X. On the left hand side, you will see the Logitech Pro X gaming headset. On the right hand side, you're going to see the FIFINE H18V Lite open back gaming headset. They both have their own unique design. Right now, we're going to do a comparison between both. So as you guys can see, they both have a microphone jack that uses a 3.5 millimeter. They both have a connector at the bottom of that can be plugged into your console, laptop, PC, and portable PC. Now let's talk about features. The FIFINE H18V Lite open back design for a more spacious and immersive sound. It has dual connectivity with both 3.5 millimeter and a USB support, lightweight, comfortable design for long gaming sessions, adjustable headband, soft ear cushions, plug and play setup with no extra software required, suitable for gaming, streaming, music, and everyday use. The open back design is one of the standout features because it creates a wider soundstage, making gaming music feel more natural and immersive than many typical gaming headsets. Overall, I've been impressed with the FIFINE H18V Lite open back gaming headset. I like that it works with both my Steam Deck and my PC, and the open back design gives it a unique sound profile that stands out. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll have an Amazon link and an official FIFINE website link at the top of the description below. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed the review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching the entire review video. Why don't you sit back and relax and enjoy some Call of Duty Black Ops 3 Custom Zombies gameplay.